So just a little quick teaser video. Here's my 2014 Ford SHO that I had for about almost 8 years. Bought it brand new off the lot. Did some modifications to it. It was pretty darn fast. Fun car. Loved it. Never had any issues with it. But got a little bored with it. Um, the next mods would be really expensive ones. And just kind of not worth it in my opinion. The V6 just, I've tried 3 different things with the exhaust and it just doesn't sound good. V6 would never sound good unless it's like a GTR or a Porsche 911 or something. But anyway, so I got rid of her, sold her, and the next vehicle on the channel is going to be this. And here's all the options I got on it. There's the most important one right there. The tow and go package. That's gonna be awesome. So I will upload a video the second I get that from the dealership. It should be delivered in about 3 to 4 more weeks. So stay tuned.